Hello guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss the ADP Workforce Now Payroll tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering what is the ADP Workforce Now Payroll platform. Now in this case, it is a great for businesses looking for to manage their payroll, HR, and employee information efficiently. Now, first, let's discuss how do you get started on ADP. So first is you need to go to the ADP website, which is adp.com, and you land on their homepage where they prompt you with a few questions to help you guide on you selecting the features that best suit your needs, whether you're managing a small or large business. Now, what are the ADP's key features here? So, the platform offers tools like payroll management, time and attendance tracking, HR services, and more. It supports businesses of all sizes, including small, mid-size, and large companies. Now, you can also schedule a self-guided product tour or try a demo to get a feel for the platform. And ADP claims to be trusted by 1 million clients and offers services such as business tax credits, workers' comp and retirement planning, and more. Now, what about the pricing here? So, pricing depends on your company's needs, so you'll need to fill out some basic information like the number of employees and company details. Based on that, ADP will contact you with customized pricing codes. Now, when finding out the form, you'll need to input details like your company's location, number of employees, and email. Then ADP teams will get in touch with you to provide more detailed pricing options. Now, in this case, how do you choose services here? So ADP offers different service packages here, such as essential payroll, enhanced payroll, and complete payroll and HR. So these packages cover everything from basic payroll to full HR management. Now, once you choose a package that fits your business, you can move forward with getting a pricing code. Now, in this case, what are the features here? So first is payroll management. In this case, it actually handles employee salaries, taxes, deductions, and other payroll-related tasks. Now, also time and attendance. Keep track of employee hours, manage shifts, and monitor attendance. And also, they have AI capabilities here. So ADP integrates artificial intelligence to help with compliance, cost control, and improving employee productivity. And also, you can integrate ADP services with various popular businesses platforms for added convenience. Now, you might be wondering why choose ADP. So ADP is known for its flexibility and is trusted by businesses of all sizes for over 75 years. So it's particularly praised for its client service, technological advancements, and wide range of features tailored to meet the needs of small, or in this case, to large businesses. Now, in summary, ADP Workforce Now Payroll is a comprehensive platform that provides everything from payroll management to HR services. It's designed to save businesses time and streamline operation, making it a solid investment for businesses owners looking to enhance their efficiency and grow their operations. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANAP. Thank you for watching.